Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Bob, Trade Genius, the 29th of July. I want to talk silver miners. Over the weekend, I was showing you guys how to set the buy alerts, telling you that the miners that I like, and we're waiting and watching to see what would happen. And um, honestly, I didn't expect to get any kind of signal until the Fed meeting. But then something really interesting happened today, and I'm gonna pop into my chat room here real fast too. I want to show you something. Let's see here. So these guys were making money in binary options too. As an aside, another victory there. I think Phil's like 96%. But let me show you this chart right here. This is the Shanghai silver deliveries, and they are really starting to rocket higher. The Chinese are starting to take delivery of silver, and it's going to put pressure on the bullion banks in London and the U.S. And silver is extremely nakedly shorted right now, which means that we can get some really good action, and that's why we like silver so much. It's just the manipulation has been intense, and so knowing that, I'm just sitting there watching our charts today, and all of a sudden, the alerts started to fire off, and they started with Mag Silver at 11:44. I jumped on that trade, and the next thing you know, GDXJ fires. I stayed away from that one. SLV fired. I'm like, okay, I'm getting interested now. GDX fired, and then AG fired. I bought AG, and then this is a day trade. And Heckler fired, and I watched that one. I didn't want to buy that one just yet. I was just worried that all of a sudden I was going to get too many trades too fast and then have it pull back on me. And then we got a trade on SIL as well, and this is the silver ETF. So I just want to show you those, and how quickly things pop. So we got an AG. We're already up on that trade nearly 1%. This is just like in the last hour. A lot of times we get these signals and they pull back a little bit first before they move higher. And then here's GDX. There's a bull flag breaking out. GDXJ, maybe a bull flag breaking out here. Okay, here's GOLD. This is basically a consolidation on high breaking out. And then you have Mag Silver that just launched. And this is one I kept talking about. I was thinking about buying it before, but I held off. I'm like, oh, I don't want to front run the Fed here. But then I just can't ignore these signals. They're just too good. And so I went ahead and I jumped on as soon as the signal hit. Now, the nice thing about setting these alerts up, you can set these alerts up in TradingView to, just to show you real quick. I talked about this before. You can actually set them up to, like if you're setting up the moneymaker, for example, you can actually set the trade up, and you get a one-time hit. You get a hit as soon as it hits, the signal hits in the bar, or you can wait for the bar to close, or you get it to hit every minute. You never want that one. But just to show you that once it hit, we grabbed it, because once that bar was completed, it was already up here at 1170. So we got in at 1149, and it popped up in our 3% for us. This one I'm really excited about. You got 1020 to 1160, so you're looking at maybe 1320 as a measured move. And if you go back to AG here for a second, measured move on this one breaking out of a bull flag could be $12. And then you got SIL, which would be another 26.5 to 29, and we have a chance for like $32. So there's some really good trades, and some of my other favorites haven't hit yet. So I really, really, really want to get back into GPL and even do some more trading with PAS when those signals hit as well. I think silver is going to be the game. And one trade that didn't come off the sell signal, but keep an eye on it. If it breaks to new highs here, I'll jump back in it. But this trade's been bullish since 850. It's at 1005. This is SILJ. This is the junior silver miner, and this is where you'll get the most action if you want to be in an ETF. If not, you want to grab these junior silver miners, because they're going to fly, and some of these guys are going to get taken out. So anyway, if you want to trade with us, Moneymaker is something that people get if they get the bundle number 2, and you can then trade this. And like I said, if you see just how nice this works, is that it wouldn't take you very long to use the Moneymaker, use the alerts to definitely pay back the investment with us. Plus, you get a whole year in a chat room, and you get access to all our other signals, and just you'll have a good time. You'll make some good money. So check us out, tradelikeagenius.com. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.